Hello and welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Ishani and you are watching Weekly Highlights. Today's first news is, on June 29, in the West Northeast Division of P1, Ekal Shrihari Mandir Rath reached Sathipura village of Seelghara group in Kokrazar zone, where the Rath was welcomed and Darshan and Aarti were done by rural women, elders and children of Bodo tribal tradition. After which a satsang was organized by the villagers with folk dance. In the evening, Ram Katha was organized and in the end, everyone collectively did Aarti and took Prasad. Second news, Ekal Abhiyan is actively promoting skill development in rural and tribal areas across India. A significant step has been taken towards this with the launch of the Women Empowerment Center in Sukhtava, Itarsi on 23rd June. In this program, many guests including Chief Guest Ashok Sahu, President and Ram Kaliji Sarpanch inaugurated this center. After this, all the women present in the event worshipped the machines. The program was conducted by Central Co-Project Head Dilip Vadivaji and Zonal Coordinator Raghunandan Gautamji of P7A. Third news, the Day Committee training class of Anchal Bageshwar concluded on 28 June at Saraswati Sishu Mandir Inter College. This program was organized under the chairmanship of Chairman Suresh Khitwalji, Nagar Palika President Bageshwar, in which the main speaker, Sambhag Abhiyan Pramukh Arvind Kanojia ji, presented the introduction of AOC meeting of Ekal Abhiyan in front of everyone. The chief guest of this program was Kailash Negi ji and Kotwal Bageshwar, who praised the work of Ekal Abhiyan. Fourth news, on June 29, under the chairmanship of Anchal Adhyaksh Deep Ram ji in Nerva, Chief Guest Shyam Singh Chauhan and Sheila ji, Zone Vice President, Secretary and Zone in Charge were present. The class was inaugurated with Sanskar Paksh and was started by Division Chief Ajay Gachta ji, and the outline of Ekal and the topic of importance of the committee was discussed. Fifth news, One Day SOC of Badedwa was organized on 29th June under the chairmanship of Zone President Sanjay ji and the glorious presence of Chief Guest Neerja Devi, Central Kendriya Sah Pramukh Gram Sangathan. In this section, the Division Committee, Zone Village Organization Executive, Subject Committees, Presidents, Vice Presidents and Secretaries of 9 groups were present. 6th news, Ekal Shrihari Mahila Samiti is playing its role in the upliftment of Indian culture in every corner of Delhi city and is creating a cultured environment in the urban society. And in this sequence, on 17th June, Dwarka Division planned a Vanyatra in Haridwar and made it successful. This trip was under the guidance of Ekal Shrihari Mahila Samiti, Delhi President Madhu Gupta ji and Department President Sarita Rajput ji. 15 women were present in this Vanyatra. This trip was organized by Ekal Shrihari Mahila Nagar Sangathan Pramukh Mrs. Suman Digari ji. 7th news, the inauguration of the 10-day Acharya annual workshop in Anchal Pithoragarh was organized at Saraswati Sishu Mandir, Naya Bazar, which concluded on 30th June. Chief Guest BJP Nagar Adhyaksh Vipalva Shah ji, Chief Speaker Uttarakhand Division Primary Education Trainer Bhavna Upadhyaya ji, Zone President Mr. Lalit Dhanik ji along with the group trainers and Acharya sisters were present in the closing session. 8th news, Ekal Abhiyan in charge Rajesh Goyal and Ekal Abhiyan Sampark Pramukh and Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh Sah Sarkaryawaha Alok Kumar ji met the family of Ekal Gram Sangathan's patron Ramchandra Matade and had their meal with them. During this, there was a discussion about the curriculum and the 10-day Acharya practice class. 9th news, the meeting of the Women's Department of Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad Kanpur chapter was successfully held on 24th June at Swaroop Nagar Heritage Home under the leadership of Dr. Anuradha Varshne. About 20 women participated in it. In the meeting, many important topics were discussed to give new direction to the Ekal Abhiyan, in which it was decided to form a new donor committee to add new members and donors. That's all for today. Keep watching Weekly Highlights.